One small voice in the universe.
One true friend in the universe.
Please believe in me. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Who's there?
It's me, Jojo, the mayor's son.
Oh, I'm Horton, the elephant.
Are you real? Or are you a very large thing?
Oh, I'm real, all right. I'd state that in ink.
And my thanks, I imagined a lot of strange things. And I go to strange places as if I had wings. I love a good thing.
Well, for me, that goes double.
Sometimes my things would get me in trouble.
When you think, do you dream?
In bright colors.
Me too! And I go to strange places, like Sala Saloo.
Do you think you could fly to the stars?
Little friend, no one else could have thinks such as ours. Yes, I have wings.
I can fly.
And far beyond the sky, you called my name and you set me free. One small voice in the universe.
One true friend in the universe. Who believes in
me. Good night, Jojo.
Good night, Horton. See you in the Sala Saloo.
Wake up! The scene's over! There's more to be heard. There goes our hero. Who enters?
Gertrude the bird?
Here comes another one of Gertrude's love songs for Horton. This one goes out to all you lovebirds out there. Here's love song number 437. There once was a girl bird named Gertrude McFuzz, and she had the smallest plain tail ever was. One droopy droop feather, that's all that she had. And oh, that one feather made Gertrude so sad. She curled it, she dyed it, she gave it a puff, she decked it with flowers, but it wasn't enough. For no matter what, it just was what it was. A tale that simply wasn't meant to catch the eye of an elephant. The one feather tail of Miss Gertrude McFuzz. Hi, Gertrude! Look at that tail, girls! This is gonna be fun! Poor little Gertrude! A sorry sight! Well, I'm gonna take you under my wing, and baby, you'll be all right! Listen here, Gertrude! I was once a plain little bird like you, kid. One pathetic feather was all I grew. I had nothing show-offish. What's a plain bird to do? And there's certainly nothing show-offish on you. Ha-ha!
Thank you, Maisie.
Then I made a plan for my self-improvement. No more crumbs, I vowed I would have the cake. Yes, I went to the doctor, Dr. Day by the lake, and he told me what sort of a pill I should take. Now amazing Maisie, as feathered can be now. Amazing Maisie, it was all for sale. Amazing Maisie, the birds are all whistling at me now. Amazing Maisie, maybe that's my tale. I don't know, she is fabulous, watch her go. She immensious, to and fro, Maisie's fabulous tale. I wish I had one like it, except at night. Best I've ever seen. Day or night. Kid, you're turning green. It's like Maisie's fabulous Get those pills, and you can have thrills. Your heart is certain to see, and you can be amazing. Well, almost as amazing as me. So she flew to the doctor named Dake, whose office was high in a tree by the lake. She cried, Mr. Doctor, oh please, do you know of some sort of a pill that will make my tail grow?
Tatat sagt die Doktor. Diese Gesprek ist Baruch. Deiner kleines Schwanz ist gerecht wichtig für dein flindig Bandvogel.
Huh? In other words, your little tail is just right for your kind of bird. No! Then Gertrude had tantrum, she breaks such a den that finally the doctor just had to give in.
Right already. Bring in the Pillberry bush. The Pillberry bush.
Ja.
Eins. Zwei.
Ja.
Drei.
Ja.
Oh, hi-ha, oh, hi-ha, oh,
Oh no. Oh no. What was that? Something's itching me. What was that? Something's twitching me. What was that? Are those feathers I see? I think my tail's beginning. Oh my word, this is wonderful. Scented bird. Wow, I'm colorful. What a bird I'm beginning to be. Amazing Gertrude. Just look at the tail she is sporting. Amazing Gertrude. Thank you, Dr. Dake. Thanks, amazing Gertrude. And hopefully I'll impress horses. Amazing Gertrude. One more pill will do me good. Yes, it will. One more pill. Soon she'll have the biggest tail. The biggest tail. I'll have the biggest tail. The biggest tail.
So Gertrude's happy, her tail's nice and long.
Kid, fasten your seatbelt, 'cause now things go wrong.
Yeah, there's a rustle in the bushes, there's a tremble in the trees. Hear it like a whisper, smell it on a summer breeze. Ooh, something big is getting nearer.
buffalo?
Well, it's bigger than a bread box. Hey, it's wider than a whale. Peanut butter bread and scared to death from head to tail. So you're still talking to dust? Oh, that's hot. A suspect that's all full of who's who are not. There aren't any who's, why I don't hear a sound. Go on, we got a monkey
Hey, give that back! Stop!
Up out of the jungle, up into the sky, up over the mountains, 10,000 feet high, then down from the mountains and into the news, with horny elephants chasing the who's, chasing the who's.
This is Cat in the Hat live from Sky Camp 5. Folks, the jungle of New is one heck of a drive. We got monkeys backed up to the 302. I'd find alternate routes if I were
Then over the desert of trees, and into the forest with thousands of trees, past leeches of bitches and some kangaroos, with horny elephants chasing the who's, chasing the who's.
Still chasing your dust, why it's safe as can be. We're monkeys to trust, or don't you agree? Well, just to be sure, we're handing it off to a black-bottomed eagle named Black
All that late afternoon and far into the night, that black-bottomed bird left his wings in fast flight, and he paid no attention to Horton's loud
A
call.
person's a person, no matter how small.
Onward travel and on ever flew, and oh, there was trouble on who? That black-bottomed eagle was cruel as could be.
'Cause it's 6:56, Vlad Vladikov dropped it! The clover went tumbling, and nobody stopped it! And head over heels, 100 miles down, fell the poor little who's! In their whole tiny town!
When the news is all bad, when you're sour and blue, when you start to get mad, you should do what I do. Tell yourself how lucky you are. When your life's going wrong, when the fates are unkind, when you're limping along, getting kicked from behind. Tell yourself how lucky you are. Why decry a cloudy sky, an empty purse, a crazy universe? My philosophy is simply things could be worse. I do! Excuse me. So be happy you're here. Think of life as a thrill. And if worse comes to worse, as we all know it will, thank your lucky star you've gotten this far. We're here in this beautiful theater, and you're in the first row. How lucky to be in the theater. More lucky than you know. You could have the luck of our hero whose luck has been running low. But Satan! That's your cue. Exit! Exit! Moving on out! Moving on out! These those who people, little brains, never know what they're gonna do next. Mr. Mayor, over here. Come on, need my cane, gotta keep going, quickly. Thank you. Glad I finally got rid of them. Woo! Oh, hello, how you doing tonight, big boy? Tell me, who's your favorite character?
You.
Oh, man! Look at you! I'm my favorite character, too. You. Yeah, you. Yeah. Watch out. Better watch out. You were sleeping during the Maisie number, wasn't he? We could hear you snoring backstage. It's okay, though. I wasn't in that number. I know why you're sleeping. Oh, hello. How you doing tonight? You look like you could sing a solo. Right, she looks pretty good, huh? All you have to do is 4 words, how lucky you are. And the audience sings with me, and we sing, when the news is all bad, when you're sour and blue, when you start to get mad, you should do what I do. Tell yourself,
How lucky you are.
oh, she is smart, look at her. Audience, you can handle that, right? Maestro, take it away. When the news is all bad, ooh, y'all are good. When you start to get mad, you should do what I do. Tell yourself. Oh, give her a round of applause, everybody. Give her a round of applause. All right. On with Susico. It is now time for curtain. How lucky you are! Good luck!
Oh no! That bird let that clover drop somewhere inside of a great patch of clovers, 100 miles wide. I'll find it or bust! I shall find my friends on their small speck of dust. Yes, clover by clover by clover with care. I'll listen and I'll call. Who's? Are you there? Mr. Mayor, are you okay? Mrs. Mayor, are you hurt? Jojo, did you survive?
It's taken all my courage to approach you, not to mention all my stamina to follow you across the hills and deserts. But I feel as if I'm ready to confess to you the feelings that I've hidden with great diligence and labor behind the facade of your odd little next-door neighbor. My eyes are too small, I have very large feet, and I'm not very proud of my pitiful tweet. But I've now got a tail that is something to see.
Jojo, are you on this clover?
Oh, notice me Horton, feather by feather. This is your next door neighbor calling. Notice me Horton together. We could be great. Oh, notice me Horton, put down the clover. This is your next door neighbor calling. There's a new leaf, your neighbor's turned over.
Over and over, clover by clover. I was just a no one only yesterday. You showed up and showed me something more. Now I've become a someone who has someone to believe in and to be there for.
hooked from the start. When I noticed your kind and your powerful heart. So notice me, Horton.
Oh, the world would be something new
Notice me, Horton.
if they noticed a thing or two.
Notice me, Horton.
The way I notice you. $2,999,999. It's hopeless.
You said it, kid.
Who's there?
It's me, Maisie, up here.
Maisie? Are you on a nest?
Yeah, you want to make something of it?
No. I just never thought I'd see you on a nest.
Neither did I, Hort. Neither did I. Da 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 da. I was down in Fort Worth, just a girl on the wing, when I met Tweed McFirth. Oh, could that fella sing? Tell yourself how lucky you are. How lucky you are. We spent 3 weeks of bliss, then the usual seg. He flew off to San Juan, leaving me with this egg. Tell yourself how lucky you are. How lucky you are. Now I'm bored and I'm cranky and tired, sitting day after day. Who knew so much work was required? I'd much rather play. I need a vacation. I'm due for some rest. Hey, Horton, would you maybe like to sit on my nest?
Why, Maisie, I couldn't. Of all silly things. I haven't got feathers, and I haven't got wings. And not only that, but I'm here on a search. I just can't leave my poor who's in the lurch.
Oh, I won't be gone long, kid. I give you my word. I'll hurry right back, 'cause I'm that sort of bird. Oh, Horton, I promise I'll fly back real soon. I'd only be gone for, say, one afternoon.
Well, we all need vacations. All right, go on, take it. I'll sit on your egg and I'll try not to break it. But please come back quickly. 1 hour, maybe 2. I need to find JoJo, and I have got to save who?
Thanks. Thanks a million. Hit it, cat.
Then carefully, tenderly, gently he crept up the trunk to the nest where the little egg slept. Then Horton the elephant smiled.
Now that's that.
And he said, and he said, and he said, and he said. He said all that day, and he kept the egg warm. And he said all that night through a terrible
I'm cold and I'm wet and I'm catching the flu. Oh, Maisie, please hurry. I've got to save who? Oh, Maisie, please hurry. I've got to save who?
Horton, I brought you a scarf.
Why, thank you, Gertrude. Have you heard from Maisie?
She sent a card from Palm Beach.
Palm Beach? Ah! Gertrude, what if she never comes back?
Don't worry, she will. Horton, notice anything different?
Yes. It's getting colder.
Ah!
this nest. No, I meant what I said. This egg might get frozen, but the who's might be dead. I couldn't say no when I heard Maisie beg. Now I'm caught between a dust speck and an incubating egg. Help! Someone help! Hunters, help!
Time out! Wow! This place is a mess. This is getting a bit out of hand. But I love it! Maestro, play me something.
When your life's going wrong and you're wondering why,
When your tail is so long you're unable to fly,
tell yourself how lucky you are.
When you land with a thud and you're bumped and you're bruised.
When you're trapped
and you're grounded
and lost and confused, tell yourself how lucky you are. Why rehash a nasty crash? Why call a hearse or curse the universe? My philosophy is simply things could be worse. So be happy you're here. Think of life as a thrill. And if worse comes to worse, as we all know it will, thank your lucky star you've gotten this far.
It's time for a brief intermission,
Which means Act 1 is through.
so go have a nice intermission. Cookies and Cokes on sale too. But we gotta set up the stage and get ready to play Act 2.
So tell yourself how lucky you are. How lucky you are. How lucky you are. How lucky you are.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment you've all been waiting for. Without further ado, presenting act.
Wait! What happens to Horton? Does Horton get free? Does Horton find JoJo?
There's no guarantee.
Will the egg be okay?
Well, I'll give you a clue. When Act 1 is done, what happens?
Act 2!
JoJo, that's you. Get in there! When we last saw our hero, he was hopelessly trapped.
Shoot if you must, but I won't run away. No matter what happens, I said I would stay.
The Who's had all crashed, and their whole town was scrapped.
Sir, we lost on this clover. We need to be found. Sir, why do we just keep on marching around?
And Gertrude was helpless. I think you know why. Her tail was so long she could no longer fly. Horton! Horton! So our story resumes on a terrible day as Horton gets carried away. Here we go again.
Up out of the jungle, up into the sky, up over the mountains, 10,000 feet high. Then down from the mountains and down to the sea. Went Horton the elephant, egg nest and tree, egg nest and tree, egg nest and tree. They loaded the wagon right onto a ship and over the ocean and do a trip. Rolling and tossing, as sick as could be. Just a sick elephant, egg nest and tree, egg nest and tree.
After bobbing around for 2 weeks like a cork,
Egg nest and tree,
they landed at last in the town of New York.
egg nest and tree. He was wet, he was tired and hungry and cold. Egg nest and tree.
Then Horton was taken to auction. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Sotheby's. Our first item of this evening's Lot 39, a pendulous pachyderm on egg, nest, and tree. The bidding will begin at $10,000. Do I have 10? 10,000. Do I have 20? 20,000. I've got 20. Do I have 30? Anybody in the audience? 30,000. 30,000. Going once, going twice. Sold to the man from the circus, McGurkus.
My Horton's gone. Oh,
look here.